The views, takes and opinions expressed on this show are of the host's own and do not represent the views, takes and opinions of PWPH Wrestling Network and its affiliates. Material and sources mentioned in this episode is for general and commentary purposes only. This episode might include strong language and may not be suitable for children. Listener discretion is advised. Stay safe and stay wrestle everyone. Welcome to the main event, Mark.
Yeah, so welcome to your Unfiltered Tagalog Wrestling Podcast. This is the main event Mark podcast, and thank you very much for listening on this episode. And today, we're going to talk about a lot of things in wrestling. So, mainly naman, ang pag-uusapan naman natin kasi dito is, of course, double R natin. Kasi nga, nag-fuck up yung audio. As ang dami ring nangyari, pasensya na guys. So, nag-record na ako sa desktop ng kapatid ko. Just for the sake of me talking about further the context of what the hell happened for the past few days, no? Kasi masyado nang nakakabastos at masyado na rin nakakaanak ng tokwa itong mga taong ito, nakakala naman natin, ano ba tawag dito? Ano ba tamang term dito? Nakakaburat. Sa totoo lang, nakakaburat isipin na buhay pa rin pala ang tribalism dito sa Pinas. Pasensya na guys, I'm really adjusting my setup. Pero nakakaburat kasi fan ako ng wrestling natin dito sa Pinas since 2017. And I know that we're going to talk about a lot of things here, but I just wanted to acknowledge this video na in-upload ng Forever Young Boys. Shoutout sa inyo guys. Gusto ko sana magbigay ng opinion ko about what happened, about what's going on, and kung bakit pinasok ko yung sarili ko on this context. Because meron kasing nilalang na para sa kaalaman nyo rin ay dinurog ko rin last year because of the same context, messing with me. And if ang akala niya is messing with me means instant win, ay isa po yung pagkakamali, no? Kasi hindi ako makapaniwala in some spectacle of context, masyado na po kasing bumababaw ang Pinoy. At masyado na rin po kasing nakakabastos. Hindi naman para sa akin, ako sabihin ko lang na very simple. Tribalism should not be tolerated at all. Simple, been there, done that. If you will disagree with that, you are a big problem. I can assure you that 101%. I-share ko lang sana yung pinagsasabi nitong putanginan to. Kasi sobrang nababastusan ako on how he speaks at masyado ring pumapasma ang bibig nitong putanginan to. On his own context, on his own shit, siya rin na nag-umpisa nito. Siya lang din naman kasi ang maggagawa ng ganitong bagay at ganito ring nonsense, no? I know it's 2025, andito pa rin tayo sa usapan ng tribalism. Tayo na 2025 now, are we still talking about tribalism in 2025? That sounds ridiculous. Just like what you did before, no? So, in this context, share ko lang yung takes ko about the post na pinost sa FPW group. By the way, shout out to our good friends over on Filipino Pro Wrestling, kay Darius, sa Young Boys, kay Dax, at sa kung sino-sino pang nasa FPW. Shout out sa inyo. I'm going to give my opinion on this. Again, mag-subscribe kayo kay Forever Young Boys. And siguro habang andun tayo sa pagre-react sa video na to on this episode, pag-usapan na rin natin kung ano yung opinion ko, what I believe, and what should be said on these people na gusto ko lang naman ako i-point out dito na agree ako because at this point agree naman ako na dapat din na natin pinagsasabong ang WWE at AEW. In this case here in the Philippines, it's a four-way. It's MWF, used to be MWF, Puso Wrestling na, Dexcon, WO, World Underground Wrestling Philippines, and now FPW. So, i-highlight ko na lang yung gusto kong i-highlight. Kasi may nag-post na may anonymous posting. Give me 1 second. Gusto ko lang i-highlight dito sa video nito ni Forever Young Boy. By the way, shoutouts kay YOLO Bros. Hindi ko tanda kung sinong YOLO to. Pero, eto. Gusto ko i-point out tong comment na to. Na FPW. Ito ang tunay na may puso. I'm not laughing at FPW because FPW is tunay na may puso. Hindi yun ang point ko. I am laughing because putang ina, 2025 na, nagpapalamon pa rin tayo sa tribalism. Are we serious? Are we serious? Yes, we can criticize. Correct. I can criticize FPW. I can criticize this Dexcon group. But it doesn't mean that you have to pick sides. No? Iba ang pag-pick sides. Iba rin ang pag-criticize. Iba ang criticism. Iba rin ang tribalism. At sa'yo, Mr. Ulupong, na kulang sa buwan, kung sino ka man, wala naman akong pakialam sa'yo. At akala mo ba, nakakalimutan ko yung pinaggagawa mo last year? At tinawag-tawagan mo pa ako para kumampi sa'yo? Mukha mo. Mukha mo. Yun ang masasabi ko. Mukha mo. Hindi ko na nga ina-name drop yung isa pang personality na wala namang bilang na gusto makipagkita sa akin. Chuchupa ka ba? Yan totoo, pre. Ba't pa gusto mong makipagkita sa akin? Every time I give you shit, every time I correct you on things that you do or you say, gusto mo sa akin lagi sabihin, do you want it to be said in your face? Wait lang. Kunin ko nga yung quote mismo. Sobrang katatawa ako. Wait lang. So, ito na yung quote mismo. Okay. Kita ka na. Ito kasi, ginatungan ko yung, yung post. Nag-gana na agad ako yun. Masyado ako nag-shortcut eh. Kasi may nag-comment nung post nitong tangan to na I am sorry, but this is the best you have. And then there's a logo o Puso Wrestling na binigyan ko lang naman ng response na, oh, grabe ka naman sa sauce niyang post. That's not Sigma. Again, Sigma is referring to Darius, a good friend of the podcast, good friend of the community. Tas ginatungan ko siya na hindi ko nasasabihin bobo siya. Baka masabihan pa akong squatter. Kahit totoo naman. But anyways, I agree na wala naman lugar talaga ang tribalism dito. Not only in the Philippines, but in the whole world. Di na nga dapat to self-explanatory na lang to eh. Pero maybe we can start with that. So I am referring to the picture or the post itself that was referred to the comment. And then, ang sinasabi nitong isang to, wait lang, basahin natin na. So, yung comment nito, babasahin ko You're right, tribalism is ridiculous. But you can also, or you could not police people on what they post on their social media. If you really wanted to, you could message them directly and ask why they are the way or doing this in their way they are, and maybe could found a few cents of ideas. Hi. nagsalita. Men, may astigmatism ako sa mata. Pero napupuwing ako every time every time I see this idiot on my comment section. Di ko mapigilan di ako mag-reply because napaka-bobo na to. Sa totoo lang, napaka-bobo. But okay, you're not doing the scene any favor either. And I don't think anyone even cared about the guy that much. Can you? Kaya nagmumukhang comedy scene yung mga putang ina nyo eh. Good Lord. And I don't think anyone even cared about the guy that much. And I'm pretty sure he doesn't even regularly watch the local scene. Are you serious? Oh my God! Oh my God! Sana dinaraf mo na lang to. Good Lord! Ay, good Lord, utang ina yun. Hindi ko alam kung sabihin ko. And I'm pretty sure he doesn't regularly watch the local scene. And you going anonymous doesn't prove your point either. If yung comment mo ay naka-anonymous, babalik sa'yo yung sinabi mo. Isa kang bobong nilalang na hindi nag-iisip, wala ka nang kautak-utak, wala ka pang bilang. Tanga! Sus ko po. Ay, nako. Hindi ko talaga magets, but nagra-react pa ako dito. But I really have to. Triggered ka sa experience. Ay, nako, tangina mo. Triggered ka sa experience and opinion ng iba. Don't go anonymous. That's not Sigma, bro. Good Lord. Putang ina, sana naman lang pinag-isipan mo yung mga pinagko-comment mo. Kasi madali yan ibalik sa'yo. Isa kang tanga na walang alam sa mga sinasabi mo. And one post already invalidated your fucking opinion just because you're a fucking idiot. Hindi ka nga sure sa mga pinaggagawa mo eh. Umakyat ka pa nga sa ring. Tapos sasabihin mo, hindi po ko sure kung pwede umupo sa top rope. Good Lord. Are you a fucking wrestling fan? Bobo ka pa? Oo, wag na. Ayoko na mangasar. Baka mamaya sabihin na naman niya na, how about saying that in your own face? How about saying that in your own face? Chuchu pa ka ba? Gusto mo kong makita eh. Going back. Balik tayo doon sa comment ng Anonymous. Kasi naman Anonymous to. Hindi ko napapangalanan. Pero tribalism is ridiculous. Oo nga eh. Tama ka bro. And that's not Sigma. And then may nag-comment na, I am sorry, but this is the best you have. Double standards. Pak! Tapos, sabi naman itong tangan to, you are confusing tribalism with criticism. Question. Do you have a fucking opinion to criticize? No wonder you're anonymous. Kung ikaw yung anonymous, I would even say the same thing to you. Because you are a fucking moron. And you're just a bird brain na may masabi na lang kasi bobo ka. Oh my God. Every time I see this guy, nabe-brain dead ako. Promise. Sobrang nakaka-brain dead. Paano pa pag nakita ko itong putanginan to? Na gusto niya akong makita in person. Na chuchupa daw sa sarap ko. Oh no! Ouch! Squatter bars. Very intellectual. Just because you're really a total ass clown, that's why. Ito, isa pa. Hindi ko ito kayang palampasin. May nag-comment dito na, PM mo na lang yan. San tao lang naman yan eh. Huwag mo na palakihin kung may issue man kayo. Lol. Man, ito yung point dito eh. Bakit natin kinukumbinsi ang tribalism dito? Hindi ko magets why tribalism is being, or sa madaling sabi, kinukumbinsi natin ito eh. Oo, totoo. So, para tayo nagsapakan. Tapos, sabihin mo, sapakan tayo. Wala kang bawi. Pero, sapakin kita. Ganun ba ang palabas? Because that's very stupid to me, if you ask me. Kasi, ganyan naman kayo mag-isip. Ganyan kayo kapurul. Eto. Ginatungan ko na yung post na yon. Ginatungan ko siya na, oh, grabe ka naman sa sus niyang post. That's not Sigma. Hindi ko na sasabihin bobo siya. Baka masabihan pa akong squatter, kahit totoo naman. Kasi nga, bobo naman talaga siya eh. Diba? But anyways, I agree on some point na wala naman talagang lugar ang tribalism dito. Kayo lang naman kasi nag-uumpisa niyan eh. Siya sabi niyo, WWE great, AEW bad. Even with the releases, WWE bad, AEW great. But can we start with that, please? Tapos ginatungan na ako na maybe you can say that directly to me in person. Napunta ka ba sa mga shows? Are you serious? Siguro, ito lang ang advice ko sa'yo, man, no? Ayaw ko na sanang pahabain tong commentary ko eh, pero kailangan ko mag-react. Kasi masyado na tayong naglolokohan at masyado na rin tayong nagkakaululan, no? Ito lang ang sabihin ko. Very, very simple. Very simple na lang ito, ha? Kung gusto niyo pakinggan yung point ko about him, pakinggan niyo yung episode 248 last year. Mag-episode 300 na ako. Andito pa rin tayo sa part na kailangan ko pa din mag-commentary on this guy. No? I can't believe that I am going to do this again. Just because gusto ko lang siya ibaon sa sarili niyang lugar. No? And I can believe that I really have to do this. No? Here's the point that I really wanted to tell on this shit. Number 1, unang-una nga, bakit ba sa tuwing titirahin kita, gusto mo lang naman sabihin ko sa'yo ng harapan? Oh, kaya ko sabihin sa'yo ng harapan yan. Pero hindi mo ba kayang magbato ng argument responding on me? It's just because I am better than you? Or maybe wala ka talagang bilang at all? Oo, wala akong pakialam sa opinion ng iba. But it doesn't mean na I need to invalidate them. Meron palaging 2 sides of the story at meron din palaging 3, 4, 5 sides ng bawat kwento. But it doesn't mean that we need to invalidate things and we need to tell people to fuck off. May exception nga lang. Bibigyan ko ng exception tong tangan to. Kasi ang gusto niya lang naman palaging respond sa akin about me dissing this guy. Maybe you can say that into my face. Maybe you can say that into my face. Bakit ba gusto mo sabihin lagi ng mga pagkita sa'yo? Meron ba akong makukuha prize pag nakipagkita ako sa'yo? Maybe pag may ginawa ako sa'yo, may prize ba ako makukuha? Wala! Because I'm not gonna gain everything to you, bro. Wala akong mag-gain sa'yo. Hindi ako magiging number 1 best wrestling podcast in the Philippines if may gagawin ako sa'yo. Okay na nga na low-key lang ako eh. Tanggap ko na ibang podcast ang namumutawi ngayon. And kaibigan pa rin naman natin sila in the end of the day. But, bakit pa ako makipagkita sa'yo? Ano bang kailangan kong i-gain sa'yo? Noong unang-una, wala ka naman bilang. Pangalawa, wala ka namang authority magsalita about everything about Philippine wrestling. Because you're not a fan. Sumakay ka lang naman because you have an access. And I can assure you that puro ka lang naman bira sa sarili mong messenger o sa kung sino-sino mga chat-chat dan about the whole wrestling scene. But you don't know shit. You don't know what's going on in the behind the scenes. O kahit nga ako, di ko rin alam. Diba? Because that's the reality. Because that's what's going on. But, into the fact that you're telling me just to go to your face and tell you that you're a fucking moron and you're a fucking idiot, wala akong magigain sa'yo. Wala akong i-gain na kahit ano. Because hindi naman to palakasan ng ihi, pataasan ng ihi. Ito ay usapan ng pagiging totoo. If you are true to yourself, alam mong may paninindigan ka sa sinasabi mo. Yung mga sinabi ko last year, lahat yun totoo. Lahat ng sinasabi ko, applicable pa rin sa'yo because you are a fucking moron. And, lahat ng sinabi kong justification on what you're doing in the scene is justified pa rin. Maybe you can look back on the episode number 248, nag-concert pa nga ako na napakahaba nun. But it doesn't justify the point because you're a fucking moron. You're a fucking moron piece of shit na walang katuturan ng mga pinagsasabi kundi subo tayo lang. That's the point. That's the problem that you have. You're a fucking idiot. Maybe, ito na lang sabihin ko sa'yo, ha? Saka ka na makipagkita sa akin or saka ka na mag-earn o kung naman yung gusto mong mangyari na makipagkita sa'yo. Sabi ko nga, wala akong i-gain sa'yo pag nakipagkita ako sa'yo. Sabi ko sa'yo, I do things in my terms, not yours. Because you didn't earn anything in this business to mess with me. I'm not gonna earn a lot just because I'm provoking you. Hindi ako mag-earn ng napakaraming bagay para lang sa'yo. I would rather hang myself into the reality rather than you trying hard or you are trying yourself na maging relevant. I mean, ayoko maging relevant. Ayoko maging famous, ayoko maging top tier. Mas gusto ko pa nga na low-key lang ako eh. And low-key pa rin ako ngayon. Kasi ayoko maging sikat. Kasi mahirap maging sikat eh. Pupunahin ka kahit anong mali mo, na tama naman. Totoo yun eh. That's the reality that we have. Hindi lang to applicable sa wrestling. Applicable din to sa realidad na meron tayo ngayon. And if you're not understanding what I'm saying to you, that's your problem, not mine. Mahirap pa na magkaroon ng self-awareness that you're saying these things because you're defending that zebra that you know? You're a fucking moron. You're defending this guy because we know magkadikit kayong dalawa. Magkadikit ethics nyo. Araw-araw. Kaya alam namin na totoo yung sinasabi ko. And if you're telling me that I'm lying to all of these people, you're a fucking moron. Hindi ko kailangan magsinungaling just because I am trying to expose these people out of the scene. At hindi ko rin sasabihin na, ay, naduduwag ako sa taon to. Masyado na kasing nagmamagaling. No! Hindi mo pa na-earn yung right para kitain kita. Kasi hindi kita kilala. At wala akong pakialam sa nararamdaman mo. At hindi ko rin kailangan ng validation mo just for the sake of you being you. I'm just disagreeing with your point that you are a fucking moron. Diba? Bakit pa natin kailangan gawing komplikado ang mga bagay na hindi naman dapat gawing komplikado? You're just making it worse. You're just making it worse. I'm not gonna go into the Jim Cornette route. Even people are calling me Jim Cornette. No. You're not my Vince Russo because you are worse than Russo. You're a fucking moron. Bakit pa kailangan ko magsayang ng oras sa isang taong walang buwang na wala namang alam, wala rin bilang? So why am gonna waste my time on this guy ranting on this shit, trying hard to tell that I am trying to say all of this shit that I am saying all of these years, that everyone knows that I was right and I was right all along. Done that. 'Di ba? Sa totoo lang, sinasabi ko na nga palagi na nga na itong mga to masyado naman nagmamagaling, pero masyado nyo rin naman kasi dinidiin yung sarili nyo para maging relevant kayo. The problem is wala kang utak. Hindi mo nga alam yung mga sinasabi mo eh. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga, hindi ko sasayangin ang araw ko na makapagkita sa'yo para sa isang taong walang kredibilidad at walang sinseridad sa eksenang ito. You are just insulting my... You're just insulting myself as a fan. Para mo na rin akong ininsulto sa sarili mo. But not in a way that I am offended, na masyado naman akong offensive. Hindi. You are just offending me because you are a fucking moron. And I want to save you, man. I want to save you a lot on this shit. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, noong last year pa, pag pinatulan ko tong tangan to, para na rin ako naging kalibel mo. Para na rin ako naging kalibel nito. Grabe. It's just me telling what's going on, and wala ka rin naman magagawa because you're not gonna win against me. You're not gonna win a gold against me, and you're never gonna win a war against me. I can assure you that. Going back, sabi ko nga magre-react ako, di ba? Pero di ako nakapag-react. Pasensya na. Again, shoutouts kay Forever Young Boys. Bro, maraming salamat. Sana mapahiram mo sa akin to. I-share ko pa rin yung YouTube channel mo later on pag na-upload ko na yung episode. But I'm going to point out few things that he actually said on this video. Ayun. So, wala pala akong way para ma-share yung audio. Pasensya na. But I'm going to do a reaction here. Give me 1 second. Tapos nyo naman siya dito. Okay. So, shoutouts pa rin kay Forever Young Boy, kay YOLO Bros, or YOLO Brothers, for sharing this take about this anonymous post na kumalat sa FPW just a few days ago. So, basahin lang natin just in context para lang siguro may idea pa rin kayo sa tunay na nangyayari doon sa post na yon, no? So, I am a big fan of our local scene, especially in the Southeast Asia territory, no? I support both Filipino Pro Wrestling, Puso Wrestling, World Underground Wrestling, and Dexcon Wrestling. Wait, no. What I meant to say I support the Pinoy wrestling scene. I don't mean to attack or what on who's on the picture or what, but everyone this very alarming, especially to the first timers of some Pinoys who want to watch or who wants to watch the Pinoy wrestling scene, and there's a tribalism happening here. As a Pinoy wrestling scene supporter, I don't want to tolerate this type of behavior. And as far as I know, we don't allow tribalism in our scene. Hopefully, especially in the Pinoy wrestling roster, especially here in FPW, I just want you to be aware of what's happening. That's why I'm posting this anonymously. So, ayun, hindi pa rin natin masync yung audio. Pasensya na. So, wala akong magagawa dyan. It's not my fault. Ayun, hindi ko siya masync talaga. Kaya may apologies. Maliit lang ang eksena. So, dapat walang ganitong nangyayari na eksena. Kahit sino pa sa atin, whenever you have a personal vendetta on a promotion or what, kindly keep it to yourself. Just my 2 cents. I'm just going to finish this video para lang siguro makapagbigay ako ng proper opinion. Tapos parang bigyan ko na lang din ng commentary, no? Ayan. So, shoutouts ulit kay Young Boy, Forever Young Boys. Supportahan din natin ang FPW talaga in reality, no? Yun lang yun. So, okay, so si namang YOLO to. I'm really confused on who YOLO Twin is. Sorry guys. Sorry sa YOLO Twins. But this is Gab, I think, no? Yung kulay blue na YOLO Twin. I'm not sure if I'm right or I'm wrong. But FPW, can you correct me if I'm wrong here? But ang ganda ng point niya dito na he's pointing out ano man tawag dito? He's basically pointing out that the post was ano ba tawag dito? Ang ganda ng intention ng post. So, I don't think na ini-invalidate nito ni Gab or ni Blue YOLO Twin tong post nitong tarantadong to, no? O kasi naman tarantado tong nag-post na to na anonymous. Tangin na kasi kasalanan nito kay nag-away. Joke lang. Yan, going back. Panoorin nga natin. I agree into the part that the wrestling scene in the Philippines is small kumpara sa Mexico, kumpara sa US, kumpara sa Canada, kumpara nga sa palibot ng Southeast Asia. Tayo yung isa sa mga may pinakamaliit na scene sa Pilipinas. At hating-hati pa tayo sa tatlo na para tayong tinutupi. Napakasakit po nun. Tapos may tribalism pa. Na sa AEW na nga lang and WWE, existing na ito. Paano pa if sa buong scene na ito? Yung parang we cannot afford to be divided. I agree with what he is trying to point out here. Ito, pinoint out dito ni YOLO Twin itong sa video na ito. So, I'm just gonna call it YOLO Twin, Blue YOLO Twin, para lang mas simple siguro sa pag-explain ko, no? Na agree naman ako on what he said that the first impression matters. Kaya nga maraming may ayaw kay GDL eh. Sige, dadamay ko si GDL dito. Just because si GDL yung isa sa mga pinaka-pinuputakte sa scene, no? Ang dami nag-shoot sa kanya na kesyo mataba siya, kesyo bulbulin tuloy sabihin ko. Bilbilin. Eto so here's the thing, people. Itong mga nagko-comment na to sa mga comment section, mapa FPW man yan, mapa Dexcon man yan, o mapa Puso man yan. Man, sana naman umayon naman kayo sa panahon, no? Yung mga nagko-comment dyan. Oh my God. Yung mga nagko-comment dyan, sana naman iayon nyo sa sarili nyo yung mga pinagko-comment nyo. Kung kayo ba pipitsugin, kumpara sa mga sinasabi niyong pipitsugin, ayusin niyo naman yung sarili niyo, no? Ayusin yung buhay niyo. Ayos tayo, guys. Eto. So, agree ako sa sinabi nito ni Gab o nito ni YOLO Twin Blue that first impression matters. Kaya nga sabi ko, maraming may umaayaw kay JDL because dami nilang first impression na masyado siyang mataba, bilbilin, o marami ding may ayaw kay Fabio because he is a mat-based wrestler. Marami rin may ayaw kay... Sino ba maraming may ayaw ngayon? Wala I cannot say maraming may ayaw sa kanila ngayon because we need to protect our scene. But specifically those two, for example na lang, no? Napakahirap po na dahil sa tribalism, lulubog niya naman tayo sa kangkungan. I can't believe that I am saying this because we really have to. I am really insulted on what in the flying fuck is happening with the scene. And dadagdag pa itong mga pipitsugin na to. So, I'm just gonna finish first this video, giving my first thoughts. I will let you know what I am thinking. Shoutouts ulit sa Forever Young Boys. I'm going to share your video, by the way, sa description nitong episode na to para mas mapanood nyo in clear kung ano yung mga pinag-react ko dito. Kasi hindi ko ma-share yung audio sa Audacity. Baka magka-copyright pa tayo. Eto. So, tribalism is kinda tricky. Sinabi nito ni YOLO Twin. And I agree. No? Agree ako na sobrang tricky ng tribalism because nagkakaroon ng double standards. No? Isang factor yon para sa akin. Na tribalism can be a tricky thing because it might be subjective then. No? It might be subjective. It might be not pleasable for everyone. It might be different for everyone or it might be different for all of these people or hindi ba magiging favorable to sa iba. But it's not the point, no? I'm gonna finish this video first before we continue. Ito, pinoint out niyo yung parang pagpupulis, no? I don't really agree na pinupulis nitong Anonymous tong nag-post, no? I'm not saying na I am disagreeing with that. So, based lang dun sa post, opinion lang naman ito So, it's more on, ano bang tawag dito? It's more on how you are going to justify, how you are going to give a flying fuck if the fans of this scene alone are unserious. And hindi ako makapaniwala na umaabot na tayo sa punto na ito na naman tayo, andito na naman tayo sa tribalism na ito. Diyos ko po naman, para naman tayo mga bata. At para na rin tayo naglolokohan because we believe on what we believe that it's correct. Okay, so eto, medyo mag-agree ako with we could not impose rules, no? We could not impose rules like, ano bang rules ito? We could not rant on a few things like, ayoko mag-rant ka sa puso, ayoko mag-rant ka sa FPW, ayoko mag-rant ka sa ganito. No. We're putting ourselves in a double standard situation. Kasi kung gusto kong tirahin sa FPW, I will do things that I disagree with FPW. I will do things that I disagree about what Dexcon, Puso, Woo, or whatever promotion it is, kung ano yung mga pinaggagawa nilang mali. Kung ano ang mali, point it out. We don't need to police it. We don't need to fucking umabot sa point na mang-o-offend tayo. Mali yun. Ibang usapan na yun. But pag sinabi mo offensive, or pag sinabi mo siya ng offensive, oo, masama yun. Kasi iba na po, babalik ko lang yung point kanina nung tangang yon na hindi natin kailangan mampulis ng comment na may comment. Pero, it doesn't mean that we need na kumbinsihin ang isang tao about their fucking views. Para mo na rin sinabi na BBM supporter ako because I believe na magiging 20 pesos yung bigas. Lenny supporter ako because believe ako na gaganda ang Pilipinas. Pero pinili nila yung bigas kasi madali tayo maluko eh. Ang mga Pinoy madali yan maluko. Sa totoo lang. I believe what I'm saying it's truth or is true. I'm gonna finish this video first. Okay. I agree on this. Hindi natin kayang i-please yung mga tao about on what we're posting on social media. Like, ako, meron akong mga bagay na hindi agree sa dinagawa ng Puso, Dexcon, or sa anumang promotion. Even MWF before. I have a lot of criticism sa MWF before. I have a lot of criticism sa PWR noon. I have a lot of criticism in FPW. Tandaan niyo ba nung nag-pilot ang FPW? I have a lot of things said there. And wala naman nag-disagree sa akin because all of them are facts. Diba? All of them are facts. But like what we're trying to say here, magmukha mang inapproachable to sa inyo or magmukha mang mali to sa inyo. Upo na nga lang ulit ako kasi masakit puwetang ko. Pero I agree on what YOLO Twin is actually saying to us, that we could not police everyone. But it doesn't mean that hindi na natin ikokorek ko na yung mali. No? Magkaiba po ang pampupulis, magkaiba rin ang pampiplease at pagka-clarify kung ito ba ay tama or kung ito ba ay mali. That's two things there. Yun, continue. Okay. So we could not stop everyone from having preferences, having opinions, or having, ano ba dito? Choices, no? Specifically, eto, agree ako dito. If people wants MWF, I will agree that people wants MWF. If people wants FPW, let them. If people wants Dexcon, let them. But the thing here is, ito ano to eh, parang sinasabi ko to palagi sa mga members ng PWPH, no? Kung ikaw ay walang alam sa tinitira mong promotion or wala ka ng background or kaalam-alam sa promotion na gusto mong tirahin, typically it's FPW, it's AEW. Typically, I'm just going to say this as it is. You don't have the right to speak against them because you don't know what's going on and it feels that you are just sharing opinions just for the sake of opinions. But it doesn't mean that we need to invalidate one opinion to another opinion. Okay, I agree na ito, nagpo-pause ako kasi piniplay ko yung video. Para nasa kalaman nyo, baka mamaya kasi sabihin nyo na gano'n lang. Nanonood lang ako, pero hindi kasi talaga mag-sync yung audio dito sa Audacity. So, may apologies. Kasalanan ko rin yan. Pero, I agree na may mga tao din talaga na pipili sa Puso, may pipili sa WU, may pipili sa FPW, at sa kung saan-saan pa. And that's the perfect time that we need to be better. In any aspects, we need to be better. Tama? Tama. Okay. So I agree that the best thing possible to do when it comes to this tribalism, or the best way that we can share opinions about one way or another, is communities. So that's why we have Pro Wrestling Philippines Club, the best wrestling community in the Philippines, where we can share opinions about promotions that you like, promotions that you hate, but we will not disagree if I feel you're wrong. But I'm not going to say things that it's bad Rather, it is what it is. Debatable. Or, para matapos lang yung tribalism, siguro, ang gusto ko na lang sabihin, if you don't have the right to tell things to people, shut up. Simple. Stay it to yourself. Okay. I agree. Ito agree ako dito. For sure, it's also applicable in other promotions. Friendly competition makes everyone better. Diyan tayo lumalabas eh. That's why AEW is stepping up to WWE. That's why WWE is stepping up to FPW or AEW. So that's why may kabi-kabila silang collaborations. We will talk about more of them shortly here on the show. I know it's very long, pero we will talk more about that shortly, no? Pero yon, continue. Okay, so po-point out ko to. If we provoke people about certain things, about wrestling, that's a different story. And I agree also on that. Kagaya nitong nag-comment nga na binasa natin. Kagaya nga nitong binasa natin nung umpisa pa lang nitong episode na to. Binasa ko yon unang-una pa lang. Oo, nung binasa ko siya, sobrang natatawa din talaga ako. Good Lord. And sobrang totoo din naman talaga na you cannot please everyone. But we can say something that mapapapunta ka sa, okay, I agree pala. So I need to explore more. It doesn't mean that we need to stop there, no? And it also means that you need to do something that you feel that you will better in a different aspect that you might think of. But it doesn't mean na feeling mo perfect ka na, you know everything. You like this area that we are just talked about for the past few minutes. Yan, it is what it is. Okay, so that's it. Yun na yun. I'm going to cut off these pauses. So basically, ito na lang yan. Tatapusin ko na tong part na to with this, no? We could not please everyone when it comes to our perspective, when it comes to our personal opinions, and when it comes to our takes, when it comes to our local wrestling scene. And also, labas din ng Pinas, no? I'm going to say this as soon as possible because it's a fact that we could not please everyone. But it doesn't mean that we need to please them all the time. We need to agree on things all the time. And also, to say at least, we need to point out something that needs to be pointed out. So it doesn't mean that we're perfect. But like what I mentioned, we need to point things out that we know it's wrong. We need to say things that we know it's wrong. We need to correct things that we feel it's wrong. We need to defend things that's getting out of hand. Other than that things are getting out of hand because of how you justify things. And it doesn't mean that you're invalidated. Magkaiba yun eh. Pag in-invalidate ka, that means mali ka talaga. Magkaibang kwento yun, no? Sobrang magkaiba yun. Pag feeling mo in-invalidate ka just because you are a fucking moron, that's a different story. Kung in-invalidate ka lang naman dahil mali lang naman ang opinion mo, it means you are just trying to tell us different na maging ano ka. Na maging kung sino ka man, maging ano ka man, depende na lang sa'yo kung mag-agree ka o hindi. But it doesn't mean that we really have to point out things that it's getting out of hand. That's why may criticism eh. Pero pag tribalism na pinag-usapan natin, ibang usapan na yon. Mali na yon. Out of bounds na yon, pare. Kasi things are getting out of hand if you feel things are getting out of hand. And yeah, so that's basically it. The last thing that I am just going to say here as of now, please support our local wrestling scene. Please support everything our wrestling does currently here in the scene. Pakisuportahan po ng buong wrestling scene natin. Hanggat maaari, if you still believe on our local wrestling scene, please do so. Suportahan nyo po ang MWF or Puso Wrestling. Suportahan nyo rin si FPW. Suportahan nyo rin si Dexcon, especially with Dexcon. Dexcon is doing a really good job on their shows. And please support everyone that we believe. And yeah, I hope we can support all of the promotions here in the Philippines and around the world. Yeah. So, yun lang naman ang gusto kong i-point out sa ngayon dito sa episode na ito. Ito lang naman din ang gusto kong i-share when it comes to this part of tribalism. So, I'm just gonna share with you the upcoming shows here in the Philippines. Give me 1 second. So, FPW is having their secret show that is on... Give me 1 second. Double check ko ulit yung details. So, December 8 is the secret show ni FPW. If you want to get details about the secret show, you can go personally to their Facebook group. So that's Filipino Pro Wrestling Community or FPW Community. Also, they have a show on July 13, 2025. So I hope you can also support that. So yeah, that's another way of supporting our local wrestling. And i-check ko lang din yung iba pang details. Give me 1 second. Ayun, FPW naman is uploading content every other time, every week. Basta yun, supportahan lang natin ang FPW Woo o kahit anumang promotion yan. Then, I'm just going to check more. Give me 1 second. So, Dexcon or Puso. Wait lang nga. Check ko nga yung ano. Puso Wrestling. They have various shows this weekend then. So first we have the show in Broadpit Bulusan, which is the Pinoy Wrestling Night. So I'm going to start with the Puso Wrestling Pinoy Wrestling Night 2. So that's on Saturday, June 8. So that's at Broadpit Bulusan. You can pay for the ticket or you can pay what you can for these shows or for this show specifically. Then on June 9th, so that's Puso Wrestling, a collaboration with our friends over on New Pinoy Music Collective and the Slick Master Files, the Sari Sari in Makati. So you can support also that. So that's at 300 pesos for the early bird price. So yun. So that's the card there so far. Give me 1 second. Try ko lang maghanap pa ng info. Yun, I think that's it. So, ito, yun lang muna yung gusto natin pag-usapan when it comes to this part of the episode. I'm just going to do a proper transition para pag-usapan na rin natin yung AEW Double or Nothing. Other than that, we were going to return on our regular programming. We will talk about Double or Nothing as usual. We will talk about a lot of things. We will talk about other more of these things. We will talk about more of this stuff that we are talking about. And I really want to talk about wrestling. Real wrestling this time around. I want to talk about more of this later on this show. And I really want to do podcast for the sake of podcast. Yeah, so I think that should be the case. So yeah, Thank you very much for listening on this part of the episode. We will be back shortly as we're just going to do a transition on a different part of the show here on the Main Event Mark Podcast.